So one of the types of widgets that you can add inside of Jotform is a time picker widget. So to go ahead and do that, you can click on Add Element, and over here you can see that widgets is an option. So around over here, what you can do is you can go ahead and type in time picker right here. And once you do that, you can see that time picker is an option right here. So if I were to go ahead and click on time picker, this is what you have. There are some variations of time picker as well. For example, there's Laws time picker and there's slider time picker as well. So let's see them all. So if I were to go around over here onto time picker, you can see that the placeholder says select time. So let's just go around and say time right here. So let me just go ahead and then let's say, for example, you can hide the default time as well if you want to, or you can enable it out as you want as well. Let me just go ahead and update. And as with any other fields, you can actually go ahead and change out the general properties in all of these three widgets as well. So now I'm going to go around over here and let's say I'm going to say select time right here. So this is a Laws time picker right here. And if I were to go to the widget setting, you can change the time format right here, just like this. And apart from that, you got the slider time picker right here. So let's just say select time right here. And if I were to go to the widget setting, you can see that you can show seconds as well. So now let me just go ahead and go to preview form right here, just like this. And as I do that, you can see that I can change around the time right here like this by using this particular time picker. If I were to use the other one, you can see that you got more of a slider right here. So you got a slider time picker. You can go ahead and click and then choose the time that you want right here, just like this. So over here, you can go ahead and let's say, for example, go to the slider time picker. Apart from that, now you can see like there's like this type of a time picker as well. So all of them are for time picking time, but you can go ahead and choose the time format right here as you want. And that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize time picker widgets inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.